is defrosting. Ooh, that's some hot air. This is the 2014 Grand Air, which replaced the Guardian. Energy guide's going now. Now, since the light wasn't on earlier, I'll run over here and show you guys this malfunctioning one. Holy crap. This thing's not defrosting, it's just screwed up. It's a 2000.
How much ice is on there?
I know. This thing is going to be replaced.
It's like all ice.
Huh, what is this thing doing? The fan light came back on. This thing's acting weird too. But this thing is defrosting. I don't know why the fan came back on. Because this is hot air. See, is it steaming? Again, this is at my old elementary school. See if I can catch some steam. This is being recorded with TMBrandish's new phone. This thing, I thought this was a straight cool, but it's running in heating mode, I think. Oh, there's some ice down there. What the heck? What is this thing? Oh, this thing is in cooling mode because that's hot air. This thing might be just on a low ambient kit. Okay. This is going to be a good video. Yeah, this thing is malfunctioning. Look at that. And this thing isn't melting the ice off at all. And this is cold air. If it were defrosting, it'd be blowing some hot air. There's a train XR13. Bristol reciprocating compressor. Piece of junk. Compressor. Yeah. This thing's gonna have to be replaced. I don't know what's wrong with it. It's not even that cold. It's just barely melting all the ice off. I don't feel bad for this thing at all. You know why? Because it's a piece of junk. Get one last look at the Grand Air and then... Huh, what is this thing doing? This thing is brand new. It can't be... I think it's on a low... Yeah, this thing has to be on a low ambient kit. Because...
Cycling through...
I don't think this is even a heat pump. Because there's not even a reversing valve down in there.
Start up,
Yeah, well, something